Hey, very good morning, my friends, and welcome to my channel Prodbug. And let's check another very important topic is to take the screenshot. Okay, so if you have already tried in the Selenium and all this thing tools, so you know that it's a nice trickier part. Okay, even though we are able to take it, there is no problem. But yeah, again, it's not very straightforward. We have to write some code, right? We have to write a lot of code. But here in Tosca it is very simple, just one line of module. It is like they have already given the Tosca. Basically they have already given the facility or feature for taking the screenshot. You just need to drag and drop and that's it, and just that's it, only 5 seconds job. Okay, not more than that. So let me show you the code how we can do that. Okay, so let's create a new folder, create a test case. Okay, and what else? So now go to the modules. If you go to the standard modules, inside the standard, go to the T-box automation tools, and inside the T-box basic window operation. So basic screenshot you can take, clipboard, save as, window operations, scrolling, dialog, context menu. So basically lots of basics of window operation has already been automated by the Tosca people. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to focus on the screenshot. What you have to do, go here in the modules, go here, take a screenshot, not a take a screen, just drag this folder, go here, and inside the test case, see inside the test case, square, you see there is a square button will appear. Okay, you can see a square button is appearing below the orange icon, right? So whenever you see that, just drop it here. Okay, so screenshot one. So what you have to do, just enter the location type and done. Okay, so let me close this one because we already have this one here. So what I'm doing here, just give the directory path of your window folder wherever you want to save them, and just give some file name. Okay, so the screenshot will uh, the name of that screenshot file will start with that. Okay, so what else? So I have disabled the open URL, go to the motorcycle, okay, just to save the time. What we are going to do, we directly enter the data in the enter vehicle data and just take the screenshot. Only that's it. Okay, so we are more interested in entering the data and taking the screenshot. Let me open the website. Let me refresh this. Okay, so this is the website. This is a tab which we have already automated. What we are going to add few fields and we'll just take the screenshot of the whole page. That's it. Okay, and let's go to the folder where we saved. So this is a screenshot we have already taken. Okay, let me delete them. Okay, so now there is no screenshot appearing here. Okay, and let's go to the Tosca. Where is Tosca? Here. So let me run. Okay, so let's see what we are adding. We are adding BMW, scooter, and 777. Okay, and we are not clicking anything else next. Only three things we are entering, and we'll take a screenshot. Let me run. So directly this tab is already open, so no need to open a new URL and coming here motorcycle. Okay, we'll simply enter the data here and we'll take a screenshot. Yeah, let's wait till the Tosca is running. It is running here. Okay, so it is passed. Okay, steps has been passed. So let's go to our folder. Okay, so see, screen screenshot vehicle. Why this is appearing screenshot vehicle? Because if you remember, in the screenshot we have added the file name as screenshot vehicle, so that's why it is starting with screenshot vehicle. So it's up to you what the starting. So screenshot vehicle, after that this is a timestamp. Okay, this is a timestamp. Let me show you. See, 2026 04 29. So this is YYYY and after that the timestamp, whatever the timestamp present. If you open this, you can see BMW scooter 777. Okay, my cursor is also here. The cursor also is a part of one, and you can see everything, all the tabs, etc., all the icons, everything has been captured. Okay, so in case of some error, you can just take a screenshot if you something is not running, suppose. Okay, in that cases, so let me change the number to 777 to 888. Okay, now let's try to rerun, and the new screenshot will appear. Okay, so basically if something is not running, okay, so you can take, let me refresh, you can take a screenshot and verify that, okay, what is happening on the runtime, because this is running so fast it is not very visible to the eyes, right, what's going on. So Let me put it. Okay, so this has been passed. So let's go to the second. So this is the second one. Okay, the 1151, 1152. Let's go here and see. BMW scooter 888. So this is the fresh new screenshot. So this has been captured. So see how easy is that, right? So what we have done nothing. Simply we went to the module and this one, T box, take screenshot. Okay, so T box, so basically Tosca box. Okay, and drag and drop in your test case and simply, very simply give the path and the file name. That's it. And after that, the date timestamp will be appended. So I hope you like this one, and it's very, very easy. Try and just have a fun, play with this particular feature. And yeah, see you in the next chapter. Till then, have a good day. Okay, so what else, what we are planning to cover, we'll see quickly, right? So there are a lot of things still pending on my side. So I hope till this point everything is clear to you guys, right? So we'll see all these things step by step. Okay, but practicing is more important. Okay.